Bill Catan, a traveling man, returned the other day from Waikiki, far on the sea. He said, when I go, I'm gonna hold my head and sail away to Waikiki, far on the sea. The climate may be hot, but they have got some days that's mighty cool. And that is when the oldest men act like the youngest fools. On a windy day way down in Waikiki, men of 84 feel just like 23. Beneath the swaying palms, they sit around all day looking at the hickey-doodlers going down beside the bay. Those hulu girls wear grass and nothing more. Any man who's sailing forgets he's ailing upon that hulu shore. A deaf and dumb man spied a peak, and what he saw brought back his feet on a windy day down in the town of Waikiki. Men of well since feeble health just take a tip and go to Waikiki, far overseas. You're gonna get a thrill and every hill will fade away, I know, in Waikiki, far overseas. It doesn't matter what a man has got, he'll soon feel well again. You won't regret the trip out that it means goodbye to fame. On a windy day way down in Waikiki, all the old boys are as happy as can be. Beneath the swaying palms, they chuckle with delight. You can hear them tell the warrior what they're gonna do tonight. They use a telescope when sets are blowing high. Any man who's sickly recovers quickly and starts in acting spy. An old man was tickled so he went and lost his vertigo on a windy day down in the town of Waikiki. On a windy day way down in Waikiki, oh me, oh my, all the old boys are as happy as can be, and this is why beneath the swaying palms, they chuckle with delight. You can hear them tell the warrior what you gonna do tonight. They use a telescope when sets are blowing high, oh me, oh my. Any man who's sickly recovers quickly and starts in action spy. Those girls are wise and clever too, but there's not one who fancy true on a windy day down in the town of Waikiki.